Good afternoon. Oh, hi. Quick video message for John. Hi John, hope you're well. Thank you for buying the 285. So I've just taken off the bar and the chain, and I'd actually removed it after I cut with it the other day and just re-greased the clutch sprocket and cleaned her up inside. So before I put her in the box, I'll show her running one last time. Which way is it? Kill switch. There. Thanks again, John, and I hope it's a nice addition to your collection. I'll get it posted first thing Monday morning. I don't think they'll collect, well, the couriers may collect on Sunday. Stay safe, sir, and hope we deal again soon. Bye for now.